story. Oh, it's 8. But can you write this one and this one into number? Oh, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you wrote 8 plus sign. What does that symbol tell you your brain to do? If you see the plus sign, what does it tell you to do?
To add.
To add. Good job. Can I take a picture of your beautiful work? Good job. Amazing.
Okay.
Okay, the end. Bye.